videos. I'm pretty sure there's. I didn't hear that. Oh, the Andrew said there's a lot more videos than 4 of
Really?
this.
Yeah, I saw some different from.
I'm having a hard time with it, so.
I don't know anything about
I
it.
will deal with the cracked screen, but it works. I'm having a hard time with transition because.
I mean, is that thing going?
It's going. Yeah, I got you.
I didn't.
Oh, because he's got that nice tripod.
I didn't
Yeah,
hear
he's got a nice tripod, so it does everything for you. Yeah.
it. Is it centered?
Perfect.
You got to center it more?
Log in and the screen's blank, black,
Well, I don't know how you taste it, but to me, I would say that one.
and it's not, I messed up. After you put it in?
I mean, sort of like that, is that
Yeah,
good enough?
You see the little.
The most important thing is to get the hole in the middle.
After all that, it should be fun.
So this is what we can
I mean-
call a virtual, I guess, operating system.
I just want the hole in the middle.
The system has a Windows 7, but the virtual provides a Windows 10 to it. That's why it says Windows 10.
Like you're about to pull a baby out.
And we've been having some trouble with it. As you can see, it's not allowing me to log in.
So this will be the bottom,
Logs in,
and
logs in, and
it will stay on the door. I won't cut it off.
And then you have
The
to log
other
off,
part-
log back in a couple times, well.
You know, we'll leave that on the back, but tomorrow we'll flip it over.
And put it on top.
Yeah, but I'll throw that thing tomorrow.
It's the easiest.
But then I usually make a base,
I like
a
my
base
password
for it
better.
as well.
It was, I try to do quick keystroke things.
So I think I'm gonna throw the base, so this top, the bottom part and the base I'll do now. Pretty thick on the bottom.
How thick do you leave on the bottom first?
Well, so when I make that base, I don't need much of a bottom, but I want to have a lot of contact there, so I do leave some clay in the bottom. So you think about a dog bowl, that shape, kind of a cylinder, that's what I make as a base. So I'll make that way, and then tomorrow turn it over and attach it.
Yeah, it looked kind of like what you were saying in my office, there were files, so like, the student PowerPoints from the last couple semesters, I was hoping to, say,
So
but
that's about that thick.
this is just like, put them on OneDrive and put them on the flash at the end of each semester.
Or you just keep it on your personal computer. So you want to show a certain one, at least a place other than where.
Okay, because when they show it, if there would be any problems, rather than have to document everything to the.
Yeah, but he's also pulling over here like at 2, 3 o'clock.
Well, I'll tell you what.
Usually pull out of there.
When it's, you know, at the beginning, it's much easier to throw on the other side, because the clay's coming into you, it's much easier.
Instead of like.
Instead of throwing it on the correct side.
Within the last couple of weeks.
But I only do that for when it's a lot of clay, not for any other time.
Okay. Because those would have been, and it was right after, you know, you're gonna need a new password, you're gonna need a new password, you're gonna need a new password, you need a new password. So
Nice.
it didn't look the same. Okay. Well, thank you for coming to explain
Is
that.
that for
I
polling,
shared.
just bigger pieces? Cause I was asking Mr. that the other day, why did our tub heck out of giant?
So
Coil it.
when we throw,
Big in the 21st
centrifugal force
century.
wants it to go
That's
this
why
way,
it says
keep it collared in,
you
to
just
get it
spend
taller.
24 hours we have to
Yeah.
try to spend 24
So you never done this collar?
have a good one.
No, we-
But
I
check
use-
out the show in the library. And
Use
there's
your
openings
hand?
tonight.
Yeah, but you,
But thanks for the help and the good attitude, and I'll
I never thrown that much.
see if I can adjust.
yeah, you're gonna have to do it like that, you know. I mean, only because it's, if you use your fingers, it's not gonna really constrict this amount of clay very easily. And you'll probably end up digging into it with those finger marks that were so popular in the 70s.
Still popular here.
Oh, man, I hate those finger mark things.
You do or don't?
Oh, I hate them.
Why?
I didn't like it when I was starting out. I just don't like that look. supposed to be saying something? Am I supposed to be looking at that thing?
No, this is more of a.
Usually when people upload videos, they probably don't even show their face. They just show
the method.
So unless like they're like known artists like yourself.
I'm not a known artist.
I
I'm just
Googled
a-
you, so.
Yeah, exactly.
So
You
I
came
think
up.
you're-
So
I Googled you.
we
so,
Googled
yeah.
you and you came up. So
came up
that's
pretty
known. If Google knows you, you're known.
Yeah.
Well,
On the grid, sir, that's all right.
Yeah.
I always think I'm just this redneck guy from Georgia. Georgia. So,
Lost the plastic. Misplaced it.
Nice.
you know, I don't throw that fast. You know, the wheel isn't really going too fast. For some reason, I see a lot of people. I mean, I see for some reason that so many people throw really fast. I mean, the wheel's going real fast. I don't get that.
I started noticing in my throwing the more slow pace I go, the more higher I can pull up. When I was going fast, it started flopping.
Yeah.
Out of control.
Out of control, yeah. So you remember we're talking about the rib? No,
You cut them off of cement tools.
Yeah, it's a mortar hoe.
Yeah.
To that mortar hoe.
Very nice.
What did you say, Mark?
Very nice.
Ooh, thank you. It's easy. I mean, there's nothing different that I'm doing. There's nothing different. I throw exactly, my work is ceramics 101. Exactly ceramics 101. I mean, won't people get bored watching this when nobody says anything?
No.
No?
I can watch it for hours. Me and Marvin will watch YouTube for
I
hours and
can't
hours
do
and hours.
that.
That's how I learned. Just watch
Just
it
people
hours.
throwing and throwing
Yeah.
and throwing.
We just sit in the living room, just watch this all day.
Yep.
Well, you
I
know,
mean, we could have some
Hey,
music
so
in the
little bit.
background if you want.
You
I won't
did?
need it. John Prine.
Yes, that's
We'll
also
do that.
background.
I mean, I have watched those videos about people throwing, and it's always, you know, hold your hands exactly like this.
It's always the same.
Yeah.
Same.
No, but I mean, the indication is you must do it like that, like they're
Oh,
doing,
yeah.
and I don't agree with that. Do whatever you have to do.
Get it up.